Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner from Austin here, and I got some bad news. The bad news is Gaming Master got terminated. And this video's called "Oh no, look at this." See, that's the bad news. Gaming Master got terminated. And I think I know who did this. It was Lowry who did that to Gaming Master. It was Lowry who terminated him. See this? Here's my comment right here. It says, I think I already know who did this. It was Lowry. See? See, I think I already know who did that. It was Lowry who did that. Do you guys know? Do you guys know that Lowry terminated him? Yeah, I know who did that to Gaming Master. It was Lowry who did that to him. It was Lowry who terminated him. I hope that Gaming Master comes back on YouTube. See, this is not good. Gaming Master got terminated. This is not good. See this, guys? I think Lowry terminated him. See, this is not good. I'm going to miss him. I'm going to miss Gaming Master so much. See this? That's the bad news. Gaming Master got terminated. Yep, I think it was Lowry who did that. Yeah. Yep, so Lowry needs to stop terminating him. See this? That's the bad news. Yep. This side says Gaming Master got terminated. That is not good. See? Gaming Master got terminated. That's not good. I am going to miss him. I hope that Gaming Master comes back on YouTube. Yep. So, yep, I think I already know who did that. It was Lowry who did that to him. It was Lowry who terminated him.